I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on price fluctuations. So let's start with question number 1. Inflation is associated with rapidly A. Decreasing prices, B. Rising prices, C. Rising demand, D. Decreasing demand. And the correct answer is B. Rising prices. Question number 2. Dash defines inflation as the issue of too much currency. Option A. Professor Havtrade, B. Professor Colborne, C. Professor Keynes, D. Dr. Marshall. And the correct answer is A. Professor Havtrade. Question number 3. Which of the following is the cause of inflation? Your options are A. Increase in public expenditure, B. Increase in export, C. Hoarding by traders, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 4. At the time of shortages and rising prices, the traders hold essential commodities for profiteering purposes is called A. Inflation, B. Hoarding by consumers, C. Hoarding by traders, D. Deflation. And the answer is C. Hoarding by traders. Question number 5. Which inflation is caused by an increase in production cost? Your options are A. Demand inflation, B. Cost inflation, C. Inflationary gap, D. None of these. And the answer is B. Cost inflation. Question number 6. What type of inflation is somewhat beneficial for the economy? Your options are A. Mild inflation, B. Running inflation, C. Demand inflation, D. Cost inflation. And the correct answer is A. Mild inflation. Question number 7. Mild inflation is also known as A. Creeping inflation, B. Cost inflation, C. Demand inflation, D. None of these. And the answer is A. Creeping inflation. Question number 8. Dash leads to hoarding of essential goods by traders and consumers. Your options are A. Deflation, B. Inflation, C. Reflation, D. All of the above. And the answer is B. Inflation. Question number 9. Dash disputes the smooth working of price mechanism. Your options are A. Inflation, B. Deflation, C. Reflation, D. Disinflation. And the correct answer is A. Inflation. Question number 10. In an advanced stage of dash, the people lost confidence in their home currency. Option A. Mild inflation, B. Deflation, C. Hyperinflation, D. None of these. And the answer is C. Hyperinflation. Question number 11. Dash under the pressure of inflation rise much more than the production cost. Option A. Profit, B. Cost, C. Both A and B, D. Prices. And the correct answer is D. Prices. Question number 12. Dash are always the losers in inflation. Your options are A. Businessmen, B. Merchants, C. Fixed income groups, D. Traders. and the answer is C. Fixed income groups. Question number 13. During inflation, dash are generally the gainers. Option A. Debtors. B. Creditors. C. Wage and salary earners. D. All of the above. And the answer is A. That's debtors. Question number 14. Wage and salary earners mostly suffer during option A. Deflation. B. Reflation. C. Disinflation. D. Inflation. And the answer is D. Inflation. Question number 15. Inflation serves as tonic for option A. Fixed earner groups. B. Business enterprise. C. Debtors. D. Creditors. And the answer is B. Business enterprise. Question number 16. Dash is the state of falling prices. Option A. Inflation. B. Reflation. C. Deflation. D. None of these. And the answer is C. Deflation. Question number 17. Deflation occurs when the output of goods and services increases more rapidly than the volume of dash in the economy. Option A. Raw material. B. Demand. C. Money income. D. Supply. And the correct answer is C. Money income. Question number 18. Producers incur dash during deflation. Your options are A. Ample profit. B. Heavy losses. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. And the answer is B. Heavy losses. Question number 19. Interest rate must be deliberately dash to control deflation. Option A. Stay as it is. B. Increase. C. Cut down. D. None of the above. And the answer is C. That's cut down. Question number 20. There are dash phases of trade cycle. Option A 2, B 4, C 3, D 5. And the correct answer is D 5. Thank you.